The Epson EcoTank Photo ET-8550 is a wide-format, all-in-one inkjet printer designed for high-quality photo printing, documents, and creative projects, combining printing, scanning, and copying with flexible media handling and cartridge-free ink tanks for long-term cost savings. 6. Color Claria ET Premium ink system and print quality. This printer uses a 6-color ink system: black, photo black, cyan, magenta, yellow, gray, with Claria ET Premium inks, delivering lab-quality, vibrant, long-lasting photos, as well as sharp text for documents. It supports high print resolution, up to 5760 x 1440 dpi for detailed images, wide format and media handling, up to A3+, 13x19. ET-8550 supports a wide range of paper and media sizes, from small photo prints to large borderless media up to 13x19, A3+, as well as various other formats, A4, A3, 11, X70, envelopes, etc. It can also handle different media types: photo paper, cardstock, specialty media including CD, DVD printing, and even thicker media up to 1.3 mm via a rear straight pass feed. All in one, print, scan, and copy. Besides printing, the ET-8550 includes scanning and copying capabilities. It's a full multifunction machine. The scanner supports up to 1200 x 4800 dpi optical resolution, horizontal x to vertical, and output formats include BMP, JPEG, TIFF, PDF, including searchable PDF, PNG. Connectivity and convenience features. This printer offers flexible connectivity: Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi Direct, Ethernet, USB, allowing printing from PCs, Macs, mobile devices, even direct printing from SD cards or USB sticks. It also has a 4.3-inch color touchscreen for easy control directly from the printer, simplifying tasks like selecting print jobs, media type, or copying, scanning. Cost efficiency and ink savings. Because it uses refillable ink bottles instead of cartridges, the ET-8550 dramatically reduces running cost. One set of ink bottles can yield hundreds, even thousands of photos. It's reported that printing a 4x6 large photo can cost as little as a few cents, compared to much higher costs with traditional cartridge-based printers. Paper and tray flexibility. The printer includes multiple paper trays and supports a variety of sizes and weights. There are front trays for standard paper photo paper, a rear tray for larger sheets, including A3+, and a rear straight pass slot for heavy media. It also supports borderless printing across many paper sizes, useful for full bleed photos or graphics. Overall, the Epson EcoTank Photo ET-8550 is a versatile, high-quality, and cost-efficient all-in-one printer. It's especially ideal if you want lab-quality photo printing at home, produce wide-format prints, or regularly print creative media and documents, all without the recurring expense of cartridges. For anyone needing dependable photo output, flexible media support, and multifunction printing, scanning capability, ET-8550 is a strong choice.